pedestrians. At the end of the road, to the right. Indicating, slowing down, changing the lower gear, bad visibility, so I use the first gear, checking no cars, no pedestrians. At the end of the road, sharp right. Speed limit is 50 in the built-up area. So in this intersection, usually I stay on the right lane because the right lane can drive everywhere. The left lane can turn only left. So I stay on the right lane, slowing down, and see complicated sign. So because this is sharp, I use the first gear, slow approaching, checking cars, checking pedestrians, and I enter one-way traffic. It is one-way traffic. If I need to turn left after 50 meters, I must be on the left lane. And it is one-way traffic. If I need to turn left, I must get on the left lane. Although there are some cars, so after passing them, I must be on the left lane. On both sides there are cars, so I drive in the middle, and after 100 meters I see the car on the right, so I stay on the left lane. Now I'm going straight, so I stay on the right lane. At the end of the street I'm turning left, but it's two-way already, so I stay on the right lane. Bad visibility, indication. And carefully checking left and right, no cars, one more check. I let him finish. Oh, he turns there, so I'm driving here. At the end of the street I am turning right. Checking cars, checking pedestrians. Pedestrians, very tricky. Pedestrian crossing because it's the school and university. I'm going slightly right. The cars must be parked in between the solid line. They must stay at least 3 meters. So these cars break the rules, so I'm driving, crossing their solid line. Overtaking. It is two-way, but I see that we can fit, so we can continue driving. And we are returning back. The priority road changes direction. I'm approaching on the priority road and the left is approaching on the priority. So we have priority because the another road is on the priority. right road is on the left. Driving straight, but before the intersection I must be on the right. All those solid line, but they break the rules, so I must cross the line. Checking left and right, the car is coming on the right and the car is in front. I have not enough space, but now I see I have enough space and I can overtake. Straight, I must be on the right lane. I'm crossing the one-way traffic, but I'm checking both sides. And try not to get into dangerous situation, because after the intersection we have pedestrians. No more cars, no more pedestrians. Intersection to the left, but this road is two-way and I'm entering one-way traffic. The student is learning to drive on the one-way traffic. Turning somewhere from the wrong lane is a major mistake. So keep on watching the road signs, and when you enter one way, never forget that you are on the one way. And after the intersection there must be another sign, but sometimes there are no repeating sign. Traffic lights to the right. Compulsory stop, because we have red light with green painted arrow. After full stop, give way for pedestrians, and when there are no more pedestrians you can approach the road and check the cars. No more cars, one more check, and then after the turn it can change